And in the field of equipment manufacturing, HAINA Speed is gaining traction in China. In merely 10 years, HAINA grew from an unknown name to one of the biggest players of the professional household paper and disposable products machinery. From obscurity to hot, HAINA is walking an industry has not been in-depth new road. It's the first enterprise in Fujian province to research and develop the machinery for the production line for surround baby diaper. HAINA has consistently shown its amazing productivity, pulling ahead in the full-serval baby pull pants production line market. Every year, HAINA launches products beyond customers' imagination in a timely fashion, and thus becoming the focus of attention in the industry. Today, HAINA ranks third in China with a market share of approximately 3.8%. Based on the revenue generated from selling disposable hygienic products machines. This series of achievements is not coincidental, but the persistent hard work and effort of HAINA and its strategic partners. Every day, 24 production lines are running at full power at the 2 production bases in Xinjiang and Hangzhou. The scientific and efficient management system has strengthened HAINA's execution, and this is reflected in every detail of production. At the same time, each machine part is arranged with the assistance of technology, which has further enhanced HAINA's overall standard of quality control. Let's run ahead together, HAINA!